Okay, so to find the missing side, which in this case is b, we need to use the Pythagorean theorem, and that is the ever-popular a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Alrighty. And so our a is 15, so that is 15 squared. And our c up there is 39, so that's 39 squared. And we are looking for b. Okay, so that means we want b all by itself. So we're going to have to minus the 15 squared over here and minus 15 squared over here. Of course, we're going to have to figure out these different numbers. And so these guys will cancel, and then that will leave us our b squared. And so we have 39 squared, whatever that is, minus 15 squared, whatever that is. So we will go over here and figure those guys out. So 39 squared, 39 times 39. 9 times 9 is 81. Put down the 1, carry the 8. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 8 is 35. Okay, then the next one is 3 times 9 is 27. Down the 7, carry the 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So I have a 1. I have 7 and 5 is 12. Down the 2, carry the 1. 3 and 1 is 4, and 1 is 5. I have 15, 21. Let's try that. 15, 21 for that one. And then 15 squared. 15 times 15. 5 times 5 is 25. Put down the 5, carry the 2. 1 times 5 is 5, plus the 2 is 7. And 1 times 15 is 15. So 5, 7, and 5 is 12, and we have another 2 right there. So minus 225. Okay, so now we have 1521 minus 225. So I'm going to scoot that up to here. 1521 minus 225. 5 from 11 is 6. 2 from what is now a 1, which would be 11, is 9. 2 from what is now a 4 is 2. And then there's a 1. And then to check it, we add this one with that one and see if we get that one. So 6 and 5 is 11. Put down the 1, carry a 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus the 2 is a 12. Put down the 2, carry a 1. 2 and 2 is 4, plus the carried 1 is 5, and there we go, 1296. So now all we have to do is take the square root of 1296. So b squared equals 1296. So to find b, we want the square root of that, and then we also want the square root of that. So how do we manually find the square root? You guys know. We do this, 1296, and we're going to go with the factorization. Look for 2 identical terms, 2 identical factors. So 2 into this is 2 into 12 is 6. 2 into 9 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Then we got an 8 here for the 16, so we got that. Then another 2. That's a 3 and a 2 and a 4. Half of each of those. And then another 2. Half of 32 is 16, and half of 4 is 2. And then another 2. 2 into 16 is 8. 2 into 2 is 1. And we can't do 2 anymore. So we go with 3. 3 into 8 goes 2. 2 times 3 is 6. That's a remainder of 2. That's a 21. So 3 into 21 is 3 times 7 is 21. And then 3 times 9 is 27. And then 3 into 9 is 3. So let's see what we got here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 3s. So that means that each 2 times 3 will be the factor that we're looking for, right? So we have a 2 times 3 is 1, 2 times 3 is 2, 2 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 4. That's 4 factors. We're looking for 2 factors. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to say that this 2 times 3 is 6. This 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, then this 2 times 3 is 6, and that 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 6 is, again, 36. Therefore, 36 times 36 is this, 1296. That make sense? Looking for 2 equal factors out of this whole thing. So that means the square root of b squared is b, and apparently the square root of 1296 is 36. So then that means back here for our triangle, this guy right here we would think would calculate out to 36.